Let's talk about the recently launched Motorola smartphone Edge 50 with perfectly balanced design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with POLED curved display, with 6.7 inches Super HD punch hole display. Resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, approximately 93.35% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9. Aspect ratio, approximately 446 ppi pixel density, 1600 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate. HDR10 plus color quality support, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony LYT700C sensor main camera with aperture 1.8 and support optical image stabilization, along with 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom telephoto camera with aperture 2.0 and support optical image stabilization, and with 13 megapixel ultra-wide angle macro vision camera with aperture 2.2. For selfies it has 32 megapixel punch hole cutout front camera with aperture 2.4. Video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system screen on top the device, and the company provides up to 2 years of OS upgrades and 3 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.5 GHz single-core Cortex-A710 plus 2.36 GHz tri-core Cortex-A710 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A510, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 AE, 4nm chipset. Paired with Adreno 644 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB, 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB, 12GB of extended RAM, and 256GB, 512GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.8 by 72.4 by 7.79 mm, and it weighs around 180 grams, and the color options, peach fuzz, jungle green, koala gray colors too. See in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 68 watt turbo power fast charging, 15 watt wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, tri-band, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, USB, Type-C audio jack, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, USB Type-C charging port, IP68, dust and water resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Edge 50 has been priced for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 26,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Motorola Edge 50 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.